In this video, I will show you how to connect Stripe to WooCommerce. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and from the left sidebar, go to Plugins. Then click Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. Once you find the official plugin by WooCommerce, click Install Now and then Activate. After activating the plugin, go to WooCommerce and click Settings. Open the Payments tab and find Stripe in the list of payment methods. Turn on the toggle next to Stripe, then click Finish Setup or Manage. Now you'll see the Stripe connection page. Click the Create or Connect an Account button. A new Stripe window will open where you can log in to your existing Stripe account or create a new one. Follow the on-screen steps to authorize the connection between Stripe and WooCommerce. Once connected, you'll be redirected back to WooCommerce settings. Here you can enable payment methods like credit cards, Apple Pay, or Google Pay, depending on your region and account setup. Make sure to click Save Changes after adjusting the settings. To test the connection, open your website and place a test order using Stripe Test Mode, if enabled. Once everything works correctly, disable Test Mode so customers can start making real payments on your store. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.